If you are in sales or if you are in direct selling, doing an alternative form of distribution, or if you are an affiliate marketer, this is a very crucial principle to know for any progress to be seen. I came to know about this only recently because I used to feel that money, if somebody tells when you promote a product that they don't have money, I used to believe that, oh, they must genuinely be not having the money. But M is the money objection. And this principle which I am going to share is called the MT nut principle, where M is the least important objection. When people say they don't have money to buy the product, it is not the truth. In the lockdown time, many people stood in a line to have a drink of liquor. Their family had financial difficulties. Even then, somehow they managed money for the liquor. How could they arrange the money? They felt it's very important for them and they somehow arrange the money. So when the prospect feels that your product is very important for them, they will somehow arrange the money. So money is the least important objection. The next principle of MT nut principle is T. T stands for time. Some people say they are very busy. I don't have time, no time at all. No time for myself, no time for the family. For full time goes for work. I have no time for what I am going to say. Is that the truth? T, the time factor, when they really understand the importance, the need of your product, how it can fulfill their needs, they will somehow manage the time. The next is N. N stands for need, which is the most crucial. When the need identification is done, automatically when they see that the product which is being offered will fulfill a lot of their needs, it will solve a lot of their problems. When they see the perceived value of the product much more than the price being paid, they will definitely buy it. So the N stands for need. U stands for urgency. You should feel the urgency to take it. Suppose a student is going to write an exam and he forgets to bring his pen. Just before entering the exam, just before entering the school or college, he says he doesn't have the pen. Then he goes to a nearby shop and he asks, please give me a pen. If the shopkeeper says, today the 10 rupees pen is also being sold at 100 rupees, will the student buy? He will have to buy because he has the urgency to buy. Only if he has a pen with him, he will be able to write the exam. Similar way, when the prospect feels the urgency for the product being offered, he should feel its urgently, that he needs it. Then there is more probability of him taking the product. And T is the most important factor. T stands for trust. The prospect should believe the person who is selling the product. We should trust the person. When the trust is evoked by the person who is selling, automatically more people will be in a line to buy from him. And how is a trust developed? The person who is selling should genuinely want to serve. The person who is promoting should not be promoting with the intention of making a profit. Profit is automatically taken care of. His needs will automatically be taken care of. When the person who is selling promotes with the intention to serve, how it can help them solve the problems, how this product being offered can help to solve the problems of the prospect. If the product does not solve the problem of the prospect, he may even say, don't buy this product, buy something else. You should have the guts to say that. Or suppose some other premium, instead of a premium product, buy this another product. You should have the guts to say that. The trust is developed. They genuinely care for the prospect. The persona of trust automatically develops. My Guru Baba Shivanand Ji used to say, be like the sun and the rain. Shine wherever you go. Be like the rain. Shower whatever you can give. When the rain comes, whoever has the ability to collect the rain, collect the water, they will collect it. If somebody is not collecting it, it will be of no service to them. But the rain or sun doesn't care about that. It willingly serves. The sun wholeheartedly shines. The rain wholeheartedly pours. And whoever can collect it, will collect it. So with that intention of service, to do good to humanity, that wholehearted feeling of doing good to the society comes up, the person who listens to us automatically feels the trust. They trust the person who is speaking. So when this principle is done, is properly applied, this MT NUT principle, which is M standing for money, T standing for time, N standing for need, and U standing for urgency, and T for trust. When this principle is properly understood, you can sell much more effectively and be of lot more service to the society. So wishing you great luck and great progress in your selling career. Cheers!